Hi, and welcome to 24 Rooter TV. Today, we're going to tackle a sewer drain that's plugged up. So, we have this option. There is a clean out real close to the crawl space that could be removed, as you can see right there. But the problem is, if we remove that, we're going to have a hell of a flood under the house. So, what we're going to do is we have this vent right here, and right about where you see that hole right there, we're going to go ahead and cut into this pipe, tap into it, and run our snake right through there so we don't flood the underside of the house. So for today's episode, we're going to go ahead and show you how we go ahead and make a clean out access and cover it up when we're all done, and makes it as simple as that. Stay tuned.
What we did, we took the diamond saw, cut a square into the pipe, and we got the little piece up here, which you can see, and there's a little corner. We're gonna take a regular screwdriver, stick it in here, and just give it a little pop. And you see, now there's the hole. On this particular job, we're pretty sure there's tree roots in the line, because you see there's a tree behind us and tree roots on here on the ground. We're at the second number.
Okay, so you should be out real close to the alley back there. I'll go ahead and I'll go out there and see if I can hear the cable out there, all right?
Yeah.
Be right back. Here's the sewer manhole in the alley. We should be connecting in somewhere in this general area. Any progress?
Not yet. Should be letting go here pretty soon.
Yeah, we're about 60 feet up to the alley, back alley there.
Get a little movement.
I'll give it a try. This thing's giving us troubles.
Yeah,
I think it feels like sludge, but nothing came back on the cable, huh?
No.
See, sometimes with these slugs, you just have to go kind of slow. As soon as you feel a little bit of resistance, you gotta kind of slow down and work your way through it slowly. There it goes.
I told you it was getting ready to be going out soon. Good luck on that.
Put your back there.
Good luck. You just good luck. That's all you
Pick
got.
it up, man.
You just good
Get her
luck.
wrapped up.
You just good luck. That's all it is. Just lucky.
Well, got her done.
Yep. Another one.
Another one.
Off to the next.
Off to the next. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below.
24 Rooter.
24 Rooter TV. Thanks for watching.
Peace.